Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the best accessory you could get for your phone from Quad Lock. Let's get started. Quad Lock is a company that makes high quality accessory for your phone with their dual stage locking system phone case that will work with all the adapters and mounts for your car, your motorcycle, your bike, your GoPro, your tripod. They have it all. Let's start with the phone case. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra phone case. They do make other phone cases too for the iPhone, for the Google Pixel. But if they don't have a case for your phone, they do make a universal dual stage locking system adapter that you can attach to your phone case so you could use with any of their accessory and mounts. Let's check out this case. The case is made of plastic, soft to the touch, very smooth. On the back of the case, as you can see right here, this is the dual stage locking system they have. On the back of the case is the cutout for the camera. On top is the microphone cutout. On the bottom is the S-Pen cutout, the speaker cutout, the charging port cutout, another microphone cutout. And on the left is the Quad Lock branding. On the right is the power button and up and down volume button. It is a very high quality case. I've been using this case with my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 for over a month and I dropped it a dozen times and it doesn't break my phone. It's very durable. Let's try on the phone. And it goes on very easy. It's just snap right in. It is a very slick, simple design and durable. It will protect your phone from drops. It does have the lip on the edge of the case to protect your phone. The Quad Lock phone case are wireless charging compatible. This is a poncho cover for your phone just in case when you're biking, it starts raining, you have the poncho to protect your phone from the rain. Yeah, Quad Lock thinks of everything. That's pretty awesome. And it's pretty easy to fit onto your phone. Pretty quick. And it doesn't look that bulky. It's very clean look. This is the tripod adapter, so you can mount your phone onto your tripod. There's a screw hole here, so you can screw the adapter right onto the tripod. And this is the wireless charger for your phone. This wireless charger will work with the car mount and the desk mount. And it comes with the USB Type-C charging cable. This is the car mount. Let's check it out. So by the look at this, look at that. You know, the car mount is so slick. Look at the design. Doesn't look nice. You know, compared to a lot of other car mount, I think this is like the best looking car mount. You know, with the quality built. They put a lot of thoughts into it. And you know, you could place this car mount onto the windshield on your dashboard. So for certain dashboard, you have to use this plastic plate to able to mount the car mount onto that area that, you know, the suction cup doesn't work onto. If you want to attach the wireless charger to your car mount, it's pretty simple. Just unscrew the indexing head, like that, and then put the wireless charger onto the car mount, and now it is a wireless charging car mount. How awesome is that? The quad lock, they think of everything. It's pretty awesome. Look at that. So simple to put on. Now it's a wireless charging car mount. Look at that. And if you loosen it up, you could, you know, pivot it any direction. Check that out. And this is the desk mount. The same thing as the car mount, you could attach the wireless charger to your desk mount to wirelessly charge your phone while it's on the desk mount. Just simply unscrew the wing nut. And attach the wireless charger adapter. There we go. Look at that. You face down and then use the charging cable to plug it in and charge your phone. There's a charging port right here on the bottom. USB Type-C. Then you can actually, you know what? Here you go. Do it this way. You have to loop the charging cable in here first and then plug it in. Like that. And then attach your phone onto the mount. This is the out front Mount Pro, the out front mount, the handlebar stem mount. The out front mount comes with the indexing head and release and lock lever. It comes with 4 spacers for all different sizes of handlebar for your bike, and an Allen wrench. To attach your phone to the bike mount, press down on the lever, attach your phone and let the lever go and it'll lock in place. This is the out front Mount Pro. It's similar to the out front mount but it's kind of extend further out. It's the stem here, it's a little bit longer compared to the out front mount. It's a little bit shorter than the out front mount Pro. Because the reason why this one's extend out a little bit more, just in case, you know, you have a lot of accessory on your handlebar for your bike. You don't have enough room, so the out mount Pro will stand out a little bit further. So, you know, it's not in the way of some of the accessory that you have on your handlebar. The out front mount Pro come with 3 different size of spacer. To attach the spacer, it's pretty simple. It does come with an Allen wrench. You unscrew the hex head screw right here on the mount. Then you pick out the right size of spacer to fit onto your handlebar. Slip it into the mount clamp right here, like that. Okay, it just depends on the size of handlebar that you have. And put the hex screw back on, tighten it. Like that. And this is the handlebar stem mount. The handlebar stem mount come with this 2 set a rubber ring to loop around your handlebar and stem to attach the mount, and zip tie. And this one have a collar where you just push down and release and let go, it locks. The last accessory I have here for your bike mount is the camera light adapter. So what you use this adapter to do is, if you have one of the out front mount or the out front mount Pro, you can actually attach a adapter to mount your GoPro or a headlight onto the out front mount. Right on the out front mount on the bottom here, you see there's 2 screw holes. You attach to the bottom, and it does come with the 2 screw where you screw onto the out front mount. Finally, I got the 2 screw unwrapped. Let's put the screw on. And that's how you put on the GoPro onto the out front mount. Check that out. It's pretty cool, huh? I will have more detailed review videos for every one of this accessory and bike mount in the next coming videos. Just make sure you turn on your notification bell for new videos update. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next videos.